Ingredients, for dhokla: 1 cup semolina, suji/fava, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon ginger green chili paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, salt to taste for tempering, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, hing, 8-10 curry leaves, 2 green chilies, slit, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, optional, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, add semolina, yogurt, water, oil, ginger green chili paste, lemon juice, and salt. Mix well to form a smooth batter. Let it rest for 20–30 minutes. After the resting time, add baking soda to the batter and mix gently. The batter will become frothy. Grease a steamer plate or a shallow dish with oil. Pour the batter into the greased plate and spread it evenly. Steam the batter in a steamer or pressure cooker without the whistle for about 12–15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the dhokla is steamed and cooled slightly, cut it into square or diamond-shaped pieces. For the tempering, heat oil in a small pan. Add mustard seeds and let them splatter. Then, add cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, and slit green chilies. Sauté for a few seconds. Add water and red chili powder, if using, to the tempering. Let it come to a boil. Pour the tempering over the cut dhokla pieces. Ensure that all the pieces are well coated with the tempering. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Allow the Tadka Fry Sooji Dhokla to rest for a few minutes to absorb the flavors. Serve the dhokla warm as a snack or breakfast item. It can be enjoyed as is or with green chutney or tamarind chutney. Experience the delightful flavors and textures of Tadka Fry Sooji Dhokla, a steamed and tempered semolina snack that is sure to tantalize your taste buds, with its softer and spongy texture and the burst of flavors from the tempering. It's a perfect treat for any time of the day. Enjoy this classic Gujarati dish with your family and friends.